Hi, second grade. I hope you and your families are doing well. I'm so glad I've gotten to talk to you all over text or over phone, but I miss being at school with you. In addition to the work that you've been doing at home, I wanted to do some videos to practice math with you guys. Today we're going to be practicing fluency using mental math. We are going to be finding some missing partners to 10 and 100 and filling in some missing patterns. As we've talked about a lot in class, we know that 10 and 100 are special math numbers, so we're going to be practicing those skills today. To start, we're going to be finding missing partners to 10. I'm going to show you some problems, and then you can take some time to solve them mentally. Write your answers down on paper or on a whiteboard. Here are the problems. You can pause the video now to give yourself some time to solve these problems. When you finish solving them, you can press play, so you can go over the answers with me. Okay, I'm going to start going over some of the answers. The first one is 3 plus blank equals 10. We all know that 3 and 7 are partners to 10. For the next one, we're making 2 10s. We're making 20. 16 plus blank equals 20. We know that 6 and 4 are partners to 10. So we need 4 more ones to make the next 10. For the next one, we know that 8 and 2 are partners to 10. So 38 plus 2 equals 40. For the next one, we know that 5 and 5 are partners to 10. So 65 plus 5 more ones equals 70. For the next one, we see we have 1 1, so we need 9 more ones to make the next 10. 81 plus 9 equals 90. If you've gotten them all right so far, give yourself a pat on the back. Let's keep going. 44 plus blank equals 50. We know that 4 and 6 are partners to 10. So 44 plus 6 equals 50. 12 plus blank equals 20. We know that 2 ones and 8 ones makes 10. So 12 plus 8 equals 20. 34 plus blank equals 40. We know that 4 plus 6 equals 10. So 34 plus 6 is going to make the next 10, 40. 79 plus 1 is going to equal 80 because 9 and 1 make a new 10. 97 plus 3 equals 100. 7 and 3 will make a new 10. If you got them all right, give yourself a pat on the back. Way to go. Now, instead of practicing partners to 10, we are going to practice partners to 100. Just like last time, take a look at these problems. You can pause the video now while you solve these problems. You can use mental math, but write your answers down on paper or on a whiteboard so you don't forget them. When you're done solving, you can press play and we'll go over the answers. For the first one, 120 plus what equals 200? We have 2 10s. We need 8 more 10s to make the next 100. 8 10s is the same as 80. For the next one, we have 8 10s, so we're switching it around. Now we need 2 10s, 20, to make the next 100. 380 plus 20 equals 400. For the next one, we see we have 7 10s. 7 10s and 3 10s makes the next 100. 170 plus 30 equals 200. For the next one, we're switching it around again. Now we have 3 10s, 630. We need 7 more 10s to make the next 100. 630 plus 70 equals 700. If you got them right so far, way to go. Let's keep going. 810 plus blank equals 900. We have 1 10. We need 9 more 10s, or 90, to make the next 100. 490 plus blank equals 500. We need 1 more 10 to make the next 100. 640 plus 60 equals 700. 4 10s and 6 10s makes a new 100. 260 plus 40 equals 300. If you got all of these fluency mental math problems right, way to go. We're going to do a few more. This time, we are going to practice completing the patterns. If you look at the first pattern, it's 550, 750, and 850. Now I see, looking at this pattern, that all of the hundreds are the same, are different, but the tens and the ones are the same. So I can tell that this pattern is counting by hundreds. I can also tell that this pattern is increasing. It's getting bigger. It's a plus 100 pattern because the hundreds keep getting bigger. Here I have 500s, so plus 100 more is going to be 600. My tens and ones aren't changing, so it's going to be 650. 550, 650, 750, 850. For the next one, I want you to take a minute to look at it, and then we'll talk about it together. You can pause the video just like before. This one's a little bit trickier because when I look at it, I see that here I have 400s, but here I have 500s. I also see that it looks like my tens are changing. 8 tens, 9 tens, 1 10, and 2 tens. I know we practice this type of pattern a lot in class. Take a minute to think about what could be happening. This is a tens pattern. The hundreds are changing because when we get 10 tens, we bundle and make a new 100. Here we have 8 tens, 9 tens, and now we're going to have 10 tens. We're making a new 100. So it's 480, 490, 500, 510, and 520. Let's look at our last pattern. Take a minute to solve it. 645, blank, 445, blank. Here I notice that the hundreds are changing, but the tens and ones are staying the same. But this time the hundreds are getting smaller. We're taking away hundreds. So here it's 645. If we take away 100, it's going to be 545. And then if we take away 100, it's going to be 445. And take away one more 100, it's 345. See if you can make some of your own patterns at home. And you can practice filling them in, or you can challenge your brother or sister to see if they can solve them. Thanks for doing math with me. Talk to you again soon.